Alright, my friend's having a bit of trouble with this little mini digger. It was smoking quite badly and not running very well. And we noticed that there's a bit of play in that flywheel, and you can also see the piston twisting slightly when we move the flywheel. So we'll pull that out and see how bad it is, whether it's worth fixing or if it's all chewed up inside.
Yeah, you can reach those ones, but once you get into it, much off this water. No, I think it was running drugs. It got confiscated by the New Zealand government about 4 years ago. It's been sitting under there. They searched it all, stripped it out. Yeah. It's a boat that's worth $500,000.
Yeah, it's nice.
Slippery surface just here.
Yep. So we're just going to get the flywheel off and see what sort of damage we've got. But that's not looking great. Yep, that's got it. Oh, that's your stator, isn't it?
Yeah, that's alright, that comes off there.
There's bits of metal in there. The odd bit.
Yeah, not bad, is what you think. There should be balls coming out there.
You probably will, once you tip it up. Oh yeah.
Yeah, I see them.
A little bit. It's not too bad. Oh yeah, there is a bit of metallic goodness in there, isn't there? Yeah, look at that. Ooh. Nasty. I think she's terminal. Metal paste. It's never going to be right, is it? Even if you rebuilt everything.
It'll be a spare part motor probably.
Yeah.
Won't be worth putting your money into, isn't it?
No. Oh.
Broken crankshaft.
That is the... Yep, there's your problem. That's crazy. So that's been thumping around on one side. No wonder the other bearings shot, eh? It's amazing that was still running.
Yeah, it's all this bloody crap.
What's that? The counterbalance. Yeah. Not that it seemed to do much.
Oh, we can't see. Yeah, the gauge is onto that there.
Yeah, it's just the counterbalance. When that goes up, this is down, I guess. This weight.
I don't think I've ever seen anything like that before.
Yeah, I had an old XR650 that had a similar sort of thing.
Yeah, I was certainly on the wrong track playing around injectors and fuel pumps and things.
Yeah, there's your piston skirt.
Oh yeah, that's what it is.
Let's knock that off.
But the symptoms, I think, I don't feel unjustified going through the fuel side of things for a start.
No. Up there. The ring's intact.
Can't feel any broken.
Yeah. So the scoring must just be from that skirt. Yeah. There's a bearing, yeah. So it's been running the bearing on the outer part of the casing. Because that came out way too easy.
Yeah.
So I wonder what went first. Was it that bearing or?
Bearings or not?
But I mean, if it started running on there,
Yeah.
or was that because it broke and it started doing that? Oh,
those
that's chewed up.
teeth have got chewed up.
Yeah.
That would be all what was tied up with the timing going funny.
Yeah. Could have been a weakness in the casting, maybe.
That's quite a substantial amount of metal in there, really.
Yeah, but you pull that away,
Yeah, I know.
and you see,
Yeah.
like, that's rough. Was that even...
Oh, that would have... Well, unless it had been happened, as you say, unless it was a faulty casting.
It looks to me like that has never been joined in the centre.
Yeah.
Possibly.
Could be a faulty casting.
Could be, yeah. Alright, so we've got a brand new engine here. That sleeve fits over there. It's pretty much the same as the one that came out of the digger, but we've got to take that tank off, and might be a few other little things. 1,600 New Zealand dollars for a new one. Bottom in first, I suppose. Can you get there?
Yeah, we're in. Sure, I suppose.
Yeah. Oh, battery. Yeah. Crows all day, does he?
Yeah. 3 of them.
Yeah.
They must argue amongst themselves. Is that point? That's quite good. That's right.
They good?
That's right.
Alright.
Yeah, okay.
That sounds a hell of a lot better than the other one. None of that clunking and clanging. Very... Yep, let's see how she goes. Quieter, isn't it?